Hello Beech class. Today we're going to make a balloon rocket car. Shall we see what you'll need? You will need some sellotape, a straw, a balloon and some toy cars. White, blue, yellow, red and black. Which car shall I choose? I choose red. Red car.
In my car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Driving in my car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Driving very fast, vroom, vroom, vroom. Driving very slow, vroom, vroom, vroom. I like driving in my car. In my car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Driving in my car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Driving very fast, vroom, vroom, vroom. Driving very slow, vroom, vroom, vroom. I like driving in.
Shall we see if it's going to work? Hold it with your finger. Ready, go! Maybe you can race yours with a different vehicle. You could use a bus or a tractor or an aeroplane. Have a go. Bye.